Step 1. Click on File /Save As /Browse /File Type Excel Macro Enabled Workbook XLSM /Save As. Step 2. Then click on File, Options, Customize ribbon. Scroll down on the right-hand side and tick the developer box. OK. Step 3. Then click on the Developer tab and then Macro Security, and then tick the bottom box of Enable VBA codes. Not recommended. Potentially dangerous code can run. Step 4. Then save down the file. Then close the file. And then reopen. Step 5. Then go on to Visual Basic. And then Insert /Module. Then paste in the code which is in the description.
Step 1. Start off by amending line 8 of the code to get the file path of where you want the Word documents to be exported to after it has completed, and include a / at the end of the file path. Step 2. Amend the range of the cells that you want it to export the data for each and every sheet in line 15, as it currently exports all cells from AE1 through to N19. As if it is AE1 to D10, then it will be AE1, D10, as an example. What it does, the code will look through each and every sheet in an Excel file, and will export all of the data from all of the sheets into a series of PDF documents equivalent, and will then save them down based on the names of the sheets in the file path.
Thanks for watching. If you wish to reach out to me for personalized work, please use the email of anonymous93220@gmail.com.